to you. It's about 7 o'clock. It's a brisk 35 degrees out. And last night we had a pretty hellacious rain around 8 o'clock. And unfortunately, I went into town to get some more diesel. And on the way back, I had no problem getting in, except to when I stopped to open the gate. I got stuck in the muck area by the gate. So basically, I'm going to fill the beast up with that gravel that I dug out of the pit there, that white door pan kind of stuff. I'm going to dig that, fill a bucket up, drive it down to the gate area, and I'm going to lay that, give about a 6-inch bed of that stuff. And this way maybe that'll make it less slick. Right now, you see that clay, it just fills up everything. It fills up the tires and get all mucked out. And this, some of the stuff I'm dealing with here. But otherwise, once again, the pit has not filled up with water. So that means I'm getting good drainage, which is excellent. Excellent. So the sun hasn't crested the hill yet, and everything is starting to look a little greener now. It got water. So this will probably be maybe the last 2 or 3 weeks. And then it'll start to dry up because we are in the desert. Yeah, it is brisk out. I should have stayed in the sleeping bag another hour or 2, but I'm up, and I'd like to get some things done today. All right, thanks for tagging along. I'll see you in a few. All right, so here's what I was talking about at the gate. So this area here, here's my missing glove. All right, at least that's one thing. I drop stuff around here. There's nobody else around here to move it around on me, and eventually I'll stumble back over it, right? All right, so here is where the problem lies, right? So I'm coming down with that little dip, and the water is filling this area up and making the muck. So basically, I'm gonna have to straighten this out a little bit, and I'll throw that door pan or whatever kind of rock that is on top of there and make it nice and good. So sun's come up, so it's starting to warm up a little bit. It's probably about 45, maybe 50. I could do without the breeze though, but eventually I think that'll slow down. All right, let me go get the Snuffleupagus. All right, so I have 3 buckets of gravel and rock, dirt, and what have you in the driveway area. And of course, I picked up a bunch of biscuits when I scooped it up, but that's the way it is if you don't have a screed. So basically I screwed up another tripod. I'm a savage. So I don't know, let's see if I can get this back together here without any serious issue. Oh yeah, that broke on the bottom. Damn it. Alright. Alright, so I guess I'm gonna have to level that out and get rid of those biscuits. killed another GoPro battery right in the middle of everything, as usual. All right, so I threw down the gravel that I've been digging out of the pit. It's as level as I can get it, and that's gonna work out real nice. I have a feeling once it gets wet and compacted down, there'll be no issues of slick mud. The only drawback is now the gate has to open forward, which that's not a problem. All right, I added a couple biscuits along the way because there were some biscuits in the pile, but this is nice and compact because I drove over it quite a few times with the beast, and that's nice and hard. So drive over it a few times. Hopefully it'll rain again this week, and that'll give it a chance to compact even more. All right, well, thanks for tagging along on today's adventure, and I look forward to posting a few more videos. Thanks again. I'm Dan from My Steel Can.